Okay, hello everyone. So this is now module 8, and module 8 is all about trigonometry. So this is a review of trigonometry, and in this series of lessons, we will be doing some examples, and we will discuss the concepts behind those examples in order to solve them. And okay, so in this first example, we are given the following problem. So we are asked to determine if the angles are coterminal. So we have here 10 degrees and 370 degrees, and we also have negative 600 degrees and negative 60 degrees. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is we need to define a coterminal angles. Now, coterminal angles, okay, let's draw the Cartesian coordinate plane here first. Now, coterminal angles are angles which, when drawn at standard position, share a terminal side. Okay, so let's review the components of an angle. So we have here, um, say for example, we have here an angle, let's just say theta, and then this is our initial side, and this is our terminal side. Okay, this is the terminal side. Okay, so so back to the definition again. Coterminal angles are angles which, when drawn at standard position, share a terminal side. Okay, so we so what we're going to do in these examples is we're going to determine if these 10 degrees and 370 degrees share the same terminal side. Now, standard position means that the initial side of the angle is drawn along the positive x-axis. Okay, and the um, vertex of the angle is on the origin. Okay, we have it right here. Okay, so that's what we mean by standard position. Okay, so let us solve these problems right here. So let's try it. So we have here 10 degrees. So let's draw 10 degrees first. So we have here, let's say this is 10 degrees. Okay, and we have 370 degrees. Now, if they have the same terminal side, then they are coterminal, right? So what is 370 degrees? We know that from the initial side right here, which is 0 degrees, if we rotate a full revolution, right, this is 360, right? 360 degrees. And since we have 370 degrees here, we have to exceed this by, we need to rotate counterclockwise more by 10 degrees, right? To so that we have a total of, so 360 and then plus 10, so you will get 370 degrees. So you have here 10 degrees. So this is, we can therefore say that these angles are coterminal. Okay, they have the same terminal side. Okay, so that's the answer for number one. So A, 10 degrees and 370 degrees are coterminal. Okay, let's go to number two. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, wait, sorry for these lines, no? They're not very beautiful. Okay, so negative 600 degrees and negative 60 degrees. Okay, so negative 600 degrees. So we need to recall that let's draw our initial side first. So we need to recall that if an angle is negative, then it is rotated. It has been rotated clockwise, right? So since this 600 degrees is um, greater than 360, so it's like going 360 degrees right here, and then 600 minus um, 360, that would be 240, right? So this is 360, so we need another negative 360, we need another 240. So what is 240? Let's say we go around here, so estimate here. So let's say this is 240. Okay, so this is all in all, negative 600 degrees. Okay, that is negative 600 degrees. Okay, so and what about negative 60 degrees? Okay, so negative 60 degrees, that would be from the initial side, negative 60 degrees, that would be about here, right? So this is negative 60 degrees. So this is the terminal side of 60 degrees, negative 60 degrees, and this is the um, terminal side of negative 600 degrees. So can we say that they are coterminal? So definitely not. So okay. So therefore, the answer in letter B is this is not coterminal. And for A, this is coterminal. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope that you refreshed your memory in this concept. So see you in the next video.